Hi there, students. Grate. Notice the spelling, G-R-A-T-E. It sounds exactly like great. Fantastic, big. But grate, okay, to grate, a verb. A grate, a noun. A grating, also a noun. Grated, yeah, an adjective. Okay, so to grate. To grate is to shred something by rubbing it against an abrasive cutting surface. A grater. Yeah? You take your cheese and you rub your cheese against this. And that's how you make grated cheese, with a grater. Okay, so you make shreds. Shreds are little pieces that are thin and long like this. To make coleslaw, you need to grate carrots. So grated cheese, grated carrots. To grate, to shred into small pieces. Grated ginger, grated garlic, grated nutmeg. Okay, to grate, a grater. And then we have a different meaning for a grate. A grate is a framework of metal bars, normally parallel, to block an opening. So a drain, very often there is a grate at the top, like a series of metal bars, so that the water flows down into the drain, but the leaves or big things get caught by the grate or the grating. Notice this is a grater, but the framework is a grating. Okay, a grating. So a grating, a series of iron bars to block an opening, but to let through air, light, water. I guess in a prison cell, the window has a grating. Yeah, iron bars that you can't get through. Often as well, in a fireplace, you have a grate. These metal bars, again, you have a grating. And you put the fuel, the wood, on top of the grate. And then these metal bars allow the air to come up from below, and the fire burns quite well. You can even call a fireplace a grate. Yeah? So put it in the grate and burn it. A fire grate. Okay? So it's like a series of metal bars to stop something. Now, let's continue. From the first meaning of grater to grate, we use grate to talk about an unpleasant rasping sound as a result of rubbing, a scraping noise. The sound of the chalk writing on a board, the chalk grating against the board. Or a door that doesn't open quite right and it scrapes against the ground. Okay, the door grated against the floor. Yeah, so it's an unpleasant noise, not very nice. And then from that we can use to grate figuratively, meaning to irritate, to annoy. Something grates on me. Notice to grate on somebody, on preposition. His rude manners grated on me. The loud bangs grated on my nerves. The dentist's drill grates on me terribly. The sound grated on my relaxed state. His ever negative attitude grates on me. The pressure of the situation grated on all the people and made them grate their teeth, grind if you like. Okay, so to grate, to rub into small pieces, grated cheese to make a pizza. You grate cheese with a grater. Yeah, for a great pizza, you grate cheese with a grater. A metal grill, a set of metal bars, a grating to block an opening, but not completely. So a fire grate, a grate in a wall. And then to grate, to make an unpleasant scraping sound. His chair grated against the floor as he stood up. And then figuratively from that, to annoy or irritate. Being locked down for many days grates on people's nerves. So notice to grate, this is a regular verb. The door grated against the floor. This has grated on my nerves for many days. And then all of these words, to grate, a grater, a grating, grated, these are all neutral formality, 5. You can use these anywhere. Super informal conversation, super formal documents are nice and flexible. Now, as to the etymology, we have 2 different etymologies. The one to grate, to shred, comes from Old French, or comes from French, grater, to scrape. And that itself comes from Proto-Germanic, kratona, krat with a K. So, and then the grill, the iron bars, comes from medieval Latin, grata, a hurdle or a barrier. So, to grate, to shred, or to rub against, the door grated. And then a grate, like a grill or a filter, to stop one thing going through. So there you go. I hope this video doesn't grate on your nerves. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Grate, grater, grating, grated.